Welcome to my channel.
Environmental Studies Part 1 Standard 4 Lesson 15 My District, My State. A tree must have several components such as leaves, small branches, big branches, a trunk, etc. In the same way, our state too is made up of many settlements, villages, towns, talukas and districts. Do you know? Man began to farm the land. His fields were near water. He settled near his farm and began to live there. In this way, hamlets and settlements were formed. These hamlets and settlements grew into villages which then developed into cities. Do you know? Mumbai is the capital of Maharashtra state. Nagpur is the second capital. According to its physical features, Maharashtra is divided into three regions. A. The coastal region. B. The mountainous region and the plateau region. The Godavari river is the longest river in Maharashtra. The Satpura mountain is in the northern part of Maharashtra. The highest peak in the Satpura mountain is Asthaba. The Sahyadri mountain are also called the Western Ghats. Kalsubai in this mountain is the highest peak in Maharashtra. The Arabian Sea is to the west of the state. The production of crops depends on the climate, soil and availability of water. Different regions of Maharashtra get different amounts of rainfall. As a result, there is a variety in the crops grown. Agriculture is the main occupation in Maharashtra. Agriculture in the state depends mostly on rainfall. This is called rain-fed, Jirayati agriculture. In some places, water obtained through irrigation is also used. This is called irrigated, in bracket Bagayati agriculture. The agriculture season that falls during the monsoon period is called the Kharif season, and the one that falls during winter is called Rabi season. Language and dialects. Maharashtra state was formed on 1st May 1960. States in India have been formed on the basis of language. Marathi is the state language of Maharashtra. In Maharashtra, there is similarity as well as diversity in languages. The pronunciation of Marathi varies in different regions. We see a variety in dialects that are spoken. We should welcome this diversity. Region, some dialects. Konkan, Kokani, Malwani, Vidarbha, Varadhi, Khandesh, Ahirani in bracket Khandeshi. Gormati, Kolami, Korku, etc. are the traditional dialects of Adivasi tribes in Maharashtra. We find varieties in the festival of our state according to the different traditions. Everyone celebrates Diwali, Dasra, Christmas, Eid, etc. In the Konkan region, festivals such as Narali Purnima, Holi and the Ganesh festival are mainly celebrated. In the plateau region, people celebrate festivals such as Dasra, Diwali and Bel Pola on a big scale. We celebrate our national festival 15 August and 26 January all over the country with a great enthusiasm. What we have learned. The physical setup of our state. Variety in crops according to climate, soil and availability of water. The state language Marathi and its different dialects. Variety in celebrations and festivals. Question 1. Fill in the blanks. First, dash is the capital of our state in bracket Maharashtra. Answer, Mumbai. Mumbai is the capital of our state. Second, dash is the dash capital of Maharashtra. Answer, Nagpur is the second capital of Maharashtra. Third, the dash mountain is in the northern part of Maharashtra. Satpura. The Satpura mountain is in the northern part of Maharashtra. Fourth, the dash is the longest river in Maharashtra. Godavari. The Godavari is the longest river in the Maharashtra. Fifth, the highest peak in the Satpura mountain is dash. Answer, Asthabha. The highest peak in the Satpura mountain is Asthabha. 6. The dash are also called as dash. The Sahyadri mountain are also called as Western Ghats. 7. The dash is to the west of our state. Arabian Sea. The Arabian Sea is to the west of our state. 8. The dash is the main occupation of our state. Answer, agriculture. Agriculture is the main occupation of our state. 9. Dash is the highest peak in the Sahyadri mountain. Kolsubai. Kolsubai is the highest peak in Sahyadri mountains. 10th. Dash crops grow in rainy season. Kharif. Kharif crops grow in rainy season. 11. Dash crop grow in winter season. Rabi. Rabi crops grow in winter season. Question 2. Answer the following questions. First, which parts of the Maharashtra grow oranges? Answer, the district of Nagpur, Amravati, Wardha, Akola, Yavatmal in Maharashtra grow oranges. Second, which parts of the Maharashtra grow the crops of coconut, betel nut and mango? Answer, the district of Raigad, Ratnagiri and Sindhudurga in Maharashtra grow the crops of coconut, betel nut and mango. Third, mention the dialects of Marathi spoken in Maharashtra. Answer, some dialects of Marathi spoken in Maharashtra are Kokni, Malwani, Varadi, Ahirani in bracket Khandeshi. Fourth, which rivers in the eastern Maharashtra flow from north to the south? Answer, Wainganga is the river in eastern Maharashtra that flows from north to south. Fifth, which district in our state grow jawar? Answer, the district of Dhule, Nashik, Aurangabad, Ahmednagar, Pune, Solapur, Satara and Sangli grow jawar. 6. Why is the 1st of May celebrated in our state? Answer, Maharashtra state was formed on 1st May 1960. So we celebrate 1st of May as Maharashtra Day.
Please like and subscribe my channel. Visit my website komalayirrao.com. Thanks for watching.